In this guided mindfulness practice, we will be using visualization to imagine ourselves opening up like a flower or a leaf to embody spring's energy so we can embrace the fullness of the season of new beginnings, connection, and openness. Visualization allows us to use our mind's creativity to connect to our senses and draw up the physical and mental experience of what we are focused on. From this practice, you can take the images as inspiration of how you might open up to others and the world around you. Just like the flower or tree opening up in the springtime and inviting in connection with pollinators, gardeners, animals, critters, and the elements to be nourished and supported, we can allow ourselves to be open and create space to invite in supportive connection too. Let's begin by finding ourselves in a comfortable position. You might choose to be seated or lying down, as long as you're able to be fully present to this practice. See if you can slowly start to make yourself a little bit more comfortable in the position that you're in, being sure to keep your spine long, feeling rooted, grounded, solid on the surface beneath you. You may begin to close your eyes here, or if you'd prefer to keep them open, having your eyes slightly open with a fixed gaze in front of you. And then gently beginning to bring awareness to the room around you, noticing sounds, the temperature of the room, perhaps noticing how the light shines through your eyes or your eyelids, or any other subtle sensations you notice about this room. And then slowly drifting your awareness towards your body, noticing how your physical body feels on the surface beneath you. You might notice the hardness or softness of the surface beneath you, how your clothes feel on your skin. If you are feeling warm or cold in any part of your body, taking a moment to be with your body. And then gently shifting your attention inwards towards your breath, noticing how your body feels as you breathe, the air flowing in and out of your nostrils, into your abdomen and your chest, noticing how they expand and empty with each inhale and exhale, noticing your breathing body. And from here, I invite you to bring to mind a particular flower or plant, or maybe even a tree that you would like to embody in this visualization practice. Think of which plant you'd like to be for a moment, as if we could be a plant. And see if you can bring to mind where you are as this plant. Are you outside or inside? Are you near water, a forest? Where are you? And begin to really create this environment in your mind. Visualize this place and you as this plant in this place. Allowing it to feel real, to see this place, to hear the sounds of this place, to feel the temperature and other textures of this place. Allow it to come to life. Now begin to imagine that it's early spring. The snow is melted, the ground is thawing, and there are warmer days now. There is some or a lot of rain, more sunshine, and your soil is feeling more rich. You can sense that spring is here. You've been patiently waiting for the warmer days of spring so you could begin growing again, blooming, and opening up. What does it feel like to be patient in this way? What are you noticing about yourself? Slowly, you begin to make your way into the first phase of becoming a bud, preparing yourself for your eventual blooming. You find balance between resting and actively engaging in your growth. You took plenty of time to rest during the winter, and now you have the energy to grow again. You're eager for this spring. You're eager to be open and in full bloom again. This phase requires balance between growth and rest. The weather is still slowly warming up, and so you follow the cues from nature to slowly open up yourself. Eventually, you notice the sun shining brighter and feeling warmer. The rain or regular waterings are also nourishing your roots, and you're feeling even more ready to grow and to open up. With time, patience, and balance, you slowly start to unfurl and unfold your protective bud so that you can make your appearance to the world around you. The process feels slow, but you are only waiting for just the right moment to open up fully, to take in the earth's light, the fresh air, and the other nourishing elements. And soon, you are opening up into your full bloom. Flower or leaf, you are now ready to be fully open and connecting with the world around you. You invite in pollinators and other visitors, sunlight, rain, fresh air, and soil to nourish you. You observe that your opening also invites in the supportive connections you need to stay in full bloom. Take a moment to be in this moment, in your full bloom. What does it feel like? Who are you connecting with? What and who are supporting you in your full bloom? Be here for some time. Embrace the fullness of your opening. Notice the environment around you now. Has it changed from the beginning of this practice when it was early spring? And with time and patience, you notice that the rest of the environment around you is also blooming, has also taken its time to unfurl, unfold, and open. You are all embracing the spring energy of new beginnings and openings. Opening up to connecting with the world around you, to being fully you here. Take just a bit more time to really feel this experience of being in full bloom, fully open and connected. And when you're ready, gradually shift your awareness back to your breath. Noticing your breath and your body here. Noticing your body. If anything about your body is feeling different now, after having bloomed into a flower or a leaf. Perhaps something has changed. And then slowly reorienting yourself to the room, noticing the sounds of the room around you, the temperature of the room. You start to notice the light entering your eyes. You begin to bring a little bit of movement to your body, fingers, toes, hands, feet. And when you're ready, slowly starting to open your eyes if they were closed. Now orienting yourself to the space with eyes open and checking in, seeing how you're feeling. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you feel more open and connected and ready to invite in spring.